So, okay, we're going to do rapid fire questions. Now, these are going to be rapid. You don't have a problem with rapid fire. I know that. I think we all know that. You will be the first one to answer. But everybody has to answer. The first thought that comes to your head, just say it. Okay? So, some questions I'm going to pose for all four of you. Some questions only for our brand ambassadors. Okay? First one. What?
First brand ambassador.
First brand ambassadors.
Always special, you know.
Very critical word.
Very critical. Our very first brand ambassadors of SBI Life. I'm going to say this over and over again now. Okay. First brand ambassador ke liye first question. Plan everything or figure it out along the way?
I think both. Find a balance.
I think, yeah, I agree with Polly. Polly, exactly.
Amit sir.
Completely agree with him.
Yes, a balance is very important.
Wow. Okay. Promises to yourself or promises to loved ones?
I think I can't give this answer as of now.
I think promises to your loved ones.
When you secure your loved ones, you fulfill your promise to yourself also.
That is true. अपने लिए अपनों के लिए.
I think you just said apne liye, apno ke liye.
Yes.
मेरा भी same है.
Same to same. Okay. So when you get surprises by life, what comes first? Excitement or anxiety?
Excitement.
Excitement for sure.
Excitement.
Excitement.
Wow. See, these are positive people. मुझे तो anxiety हो जाती है यार. When unsure, do you seek reassurance or you take a call by yourself?
Reassurance.
I think career reassurance, life myself.
Okay.
Take a call by myself.
Wow.
First call myself, then take a reassurance.
वाह, ये तो मतलब full proof planning करते हैं. Sir doesn't leave any stone unturned. Well done. Is peace of mind something that you seek or something that you build?
I think it comes from within, you build it.
Okay.
Same. I think when there is not peace around, you gotta create your own peace. And I think generally also try to create your own peace, man. Because when you're outside, there's always noise.
यार कर दो यार. You should make like a quick to-do video for us ki how to make peace. That's going to be your next,
Meditate.
meditate. Okay, lovely.
I think I agree with Sir that it should come from within.
Peace of mind is within.
Very important.
Very.
Very important. Okay. When you hear apno ke liye, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
My mom.
Mom and sister.
Family, obviously.
Family.
Lovely. What makes you feel you're doing right by your family? Planning today so that tomorrow is secure, या knowing that they can always count on me? हो जाएगा.
I think both the questions, it's both us very similar.
Yeah.
Okay, because they know me. I have planned.
But you are the one who's planning.
So they
then
know
you
that
know
I have
you.
planned.
Yeah. But what if you're not planning then?
No, that's the confidence they have on me that I have planned.
वो risk लेना पड़ेगा उनको अब. क्या करें?
I think when you are making decision for your family, I think generally, first, they also know that you're going to take care of them. And secondly, you definitely do that for sure.
Absolutely.
I think you have to give that assurance that you are planning or your future is secured by whatever things you're doing for them. So then only they'll get that calmness in their life.
So I plan along with my family.
Oh wow, full round table conference happens. I love it. Quite like my father's actually. Like हमारे घर में fridge भी खरीदना होगा ना, उसके लिए भी round table conference होती है. And I think it's just beautiful. Now, what gives you real peace of mind? I'll start with you, Amit sir. Preparedness या planning?
When you plan, then only you can be prepared.
Okay, that's also a good way.
Yeah, I think preparation.
Yeah. Okay.
Whatever you do, you have to prepare for that, right?
But some people होते हैं ना कि यार हो जाएगा. I believe in me.
नहीं, but तो भी उसके लिए कुछ तो प्रिपरेशन चाहिए, कि कुछ प्लानिंग चाहिए, कि क्या आप सोच रहे हो, क्या आप कर रहे हो, कौन से डायरेक्शन में आप जा रहे हो, कुछ तो वो प्लानिंग होना चाहिए ना, एक बेस तो होना चाहिए.
Correct.
I think same as Jaddu bhai, to have a basic plan and then you innovate
Yeah.
how it goes. I think that is really important.
Okay.
Okay, in my mind, planning is a sub part of preparedness.
Yeah,
You are mentally prepared
true.
that what I want to do, and to achieve that goal, you start planning.
That's also a good thing. Yep, thank you. Now, one thing that people should stop delaying, okay? Protecting their loved ones today and not tomorrow. And tomorrow waits for no one, so act today. What tricky question hai? Amit sir?
You have to repeat the question.
Okay. One thing that people should stop delaying. जिस चीज में उनको देर नहीं करनी चाहिए. Protecting their loved ones today, not tomorrow. Yeah? या फिर tomorrow waits for no one, so act today.
Obviously, the first one.
Okay?
Agree with sir. First one.
The question.
किस चीज में आपको देर ही नहीं करनी चाहिए? आप लोगों को अपने loved ones को आज ही protect करना चाहिए या कल देख लेंगे?
I think देरी तो किसी भी चीज में नहीं करनी चाहिए, but एक generalize, I think definitely protecting the loved ones and even yourself. I think it's very important. You know, sometimes when you're trying to protect your family, you forget to protect yourself.
Yes.
As an
Yes.
individual. And that is also, as a youngster, I'm going to say that that is also really important.
Wow, thank you. That's a very good point. You know, everyone has to feel safe and secured. So,
I think it's very similar to Rishabh or Jolly. अपने लिए भी, अपनों के लिए भी.
we'll go by the brand's motto. It's a very beautiful life philosophy, right? Okay, in one life, why should people plan for the future? One line. We'll start with you.
More settled and peace.
Okay. Rishabh?
I think to get, freedom in life, I think it gives you more time once you are, your loved ones are protected. Then, like when we discussed earlier, like it gives you confidence.
Yes.
Confidence, freedom, clarity of thought. It gives you lots of things. So definitely for that.
Lovely.
I think dream big and live with a lot of freedoms.
Absolutely. Dream big and live with lot of freedom. Oof, I think both the words dream and freedom are my favorite words from today. So
So confidence to pursue your dreams.
beautiful, beautiful. All right. Now, if your life had a tagline, what would that be?
Same. अपने लिए, अपनों के लिए.
अपनों के लिए. ये तो मुझे मालूम था.
मेरी भी सेम है अपने लिए अपनों के लिए.
इसके लिए हाई फाइव हो जाए. हाई फाइव. हाई फाइव. I think we are all in the same boat.
वही होगी सबने बोल दिया.
तो इसके लिए भी हाई फाइव हो जाए. अब सबको हाई फाइव देना
You
पड़ेगा.
are not under pressure.
Play along.
So I play along, but along with the second tagline, करो पूरे अपने इरादे.
अपनों से किए सभी वादे. ठीक है.
अपनों से किए सभी वादे. Brilliant. Last one, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. What does liberation or freedom mean to you?
Protected and expressive.
It's a difficult answer for me because, when think about life, there's a lot to answer. But I think for me, it's security and freedom.
भूल गया. Yeah, I think dream big and live your life fully. Enjoy your life.
I love it. He is very like दिल खोल के जीना है. मतलब
Obviously.
सिक्योर
Second
हो
phase,
जाओ
second.
उसके बाद बस. So,
Dream it, live it, pursue it,
wow.
everything.
Dreaming big. I think we're all going to go back and dream big because SBI